Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a gaming video using like your face cam on CapCut PC. So select the gameplay, and then you're going to add in like your face cam. Then I'm just going to scale it down. You can like put it like up here or like down here and stuff like that, and just like a square kind of video. Or you can go to mask and select circle instead. And make this first. I'm just going to put it kind of like on the left side here. Then I am going to go to library and I'm going to add in this stock photo. Go to mask again and select circle and kind of like create a shadow and feather that out a little bit to create this really cool like face cam on the side here. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!